Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a super easy sweet and sour salmon recipe. Stay tuned. This is 16 ounces of salmon that I previously cut into medium to large size bites. Here are my seasonings that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of sazon seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning. All right, go ahead and add your seasoning. Give it a nice little mix. Then we're gonna add our all-purpose flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it in. Mix it in. Add your oil. 2 cups of oil. Now once the oil is nice and ready, you can go ahead and add your salmon. Now we're just gonna fry our salmon for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they're nice and crispy. After frying your salmon for about 2 minutes on the first side, go ahead and flip it over and fry it for 3 more minutes. Frying the salmon should only take you about 5 to 6 minutes. Looking good, looking good. Salmon is looking so good. Crispy. Woo. All right, so as you can see, our salmon is ready. It's nice and crispy, looking wonderful. You just want to add it to a paper towel just to soak up some of that extra oil. All right, guys, make sure your pan is nice and hot. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add your red onion, grated ginger, bell pepper, garlic, green onion, pineapple. So once our veggies becomes caramelized, then we're gonna go ahead and add our other ingredients. Add your ketchup, pineapple juice, a little bit of soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of water, and then we're gonna mix all these wonderful ingredients together, guys. I'm also gonna add a little bit of cornstarch, about 1 teaspoon, once our mixture comes to a boil. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix it up a little. This cornstarch is going to allow our sauce to be nice and thick. Add some fresh squeezed lime juice and some sugar. All the correct measurements will be in the description of the video, guys. After sauce comes to a boil, it is good to go. Add your salmon to a mixing bowl. Then add your sauce. And then we're gonna toss. Give it a nice little toss. And we're just gonna serve this on a nice bed of white rice. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God.